with the weighted ball. Ang purpose lang ito, for strength and power. Ito lang natin yung mga forearm mo and yung mga daliri. Go, that's 20 ha. Go tight, Jello. Go hard. It's okay mag-start ng slow, but I want you to finish hard. Go. You can start slow. Hardness, let's go pala. Hardness. Hardness, let's go. That's it. After you're mixing, let's try it here. Harder. Hand placement should be behind the ball. Under, kasi kapag under, violation din. It's like you're pulling a rope. Yan na. So this time, eliminate the power. Continuous pocket na tayo. Nakukulangan lang sa pocket mo, I want you to really pull the ball to your pocket. Naturally, more. Sa mga basic dribbling na gagamitin natin for today's training. Then, pocket tayo. There are two kinds of pocket. First one, we call this tight pocket kasi malapit siya sa katawan. But the other one is wide pocket. Mas malayo siya sa katawan. This time, bigyan ko muna ako ng tight pocket. Kasi, yan. Tight na, ha? The wide. Bakit ba? Okay. Kasi Anthony pa dyan. Dilay! Ask ko mama. Nasaan ba? Yellow? Si Tay, placement ng kamay mo, naka-point siya pababa. Si wide pocket, ang placement ng kamay mo, naka-side, malayo siya sa katawan. Ito si Tay, ito si wide. Tay, wide. Pag in-execute ko, Jello, look, Jello. Wide pocket. Go! Dito go, pare. Sige na, Jello. Last time. Square up tayo, square up. Wide and cross. Turn, tight, wide and cross. Side,